Okay, sige, 3. Sige, bigyan natin kayo audience. So, medyo manatang tayong cheers.
Umalis ka? Wala pa pang papasok.
Okay, here you go. Thank you so much. That's yours. Okay na to. Ayan, sige, so thank you so much. So, pinigil pa lang yung first mini. Ayan, so medyo marami na nag-join sa ating game. So, we're going to our next Bring Me game. Okay, Ross Pagtaasas, Bring Me. Okay, so this day, looking here in front is yung part of our essential everyday. And syempre, na itong bagay na kailangan natin is, ayan, mas kailangan kapag umuulan or umaaraw. So, ano nga ba to? So, ringing, tumbler! Okay, lagayin ang tubig! Tumbler! 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 Water! Tumbler! Tumbler! Umbrella! Tumbler! Tumbler! Okay, let's give you more. And three, it's your prize. Thank you, okay, little girls, your prize. Thank you so much. So, kailangan itabi ating day tayo. So, pagkain tayo. So, syempre, kailangan natin ng water to stay hydrated. O, sige, ito naman. Mamigay naman tayo ito, Kuya Mark, ng 3. Okay, let's give it an unlimited good bucks naman. Yes. So, syempre, for this Bring Me, dahil special ang ating sinicelebrate, special din ang ating Bring Me. So, sino kaya ang makapagdadala ng picture kasama ikaw at si Charlotte? Yeah, together kaya kasama sa picture. Meron na tayo picture. Naghahanap pa ng mga picture. Okay, kahit honest lang ka. Basta kasama sa picture. Hanap mo siya picture. Ito, Kuya Mark. Ito, we have one, two, last one. Naghahanap pa. Meron. Malata sa ito. Okay. Ay, very good. Sayang 3 lang. Sayang. Ayan, sige, next naman din. Okay, sige, mabigyan naman tayo ng ating mga toys. Limited toys naman. Okay, let's give you limited toys. Ayan, syempre, din siya naging here para syempre lang. Ayan, part ng ating essential everyday. Ayan, so kapakabibigyan natin. Okay, syempre, itong kailangan naman natin is, ayan, meron ito sila Mami, ayan, Beshi, ayan, sister, best friend. And syempre ito, no, ayan, sinusunod sa grocery store, supermarket, and drugstore. Sinili, 25 centavos. Chico! 25 cents. Meron ba tayong 25 cents? Chico, 25 cents. Paunahan, ba? Okay, dito matakbo na kuya naman. Okay na, 25. Okay, okay, another 25, 2, 3, and 4. Ito na kayo mga let's move, boys.
Uy, baryak.
There, so 4. Yes, sinibigyan natin consolation prize. Ito na lang. Consolation prize na lang natin. It's yours na to free. Thank you so much. Sige, bigyan naman tayo na. Nakita ko. Okay. Okay, sige, next.
Bigyan mo siya ng Stephanie.
Ayan, sige, mamimigay naman tayo ng 4 na limited gold bag. Siyempre, bago tayo magpa-bring me, tanongin na sila, no? Ayan, so, kumakain po ba kayo sa McDo? Yes or no? Ayan, siyempre, share ko kumakain sa McDo. Sige, magpa-bring me natin ay nasa cellphone o device ang po ninyo. So, ready your phone. Sa kailangan natin ay hindi nyo po makikita mga special deals, discounts, and promos sa sa McDo. Anything, McDonald's Okay, McDo pa, hindi Mac Delivery, McDo Meron! Tatlo pa! Tatlo! McDonald's App, tatlo! Meron ba? Okay, last. Meron, bigyan natin. Yes! Isa na lang! Isa na lang! And 2! Ay, last one, 4! Ayun! And syempre, dito na muna natin tapusin ang ating Bring Game. And Bring Game pala, maraming agad tayo. Game prizes. And syempre, nag-start pa lang tayo mag-warm up. And so, kailangan natin Kuya Mark na mga kids. So, kailangan start our game and before we give your consolation prize. So, here's your time to shine and to win more exciting prizes. So, maybe you could take home a toy or a tumbler, diba? So, first, I'm going to ask your name and how old are you? Okay, first, your name and your age.
Ashley Hernandez. 8. Ashley is 8 years
Yes,
old.
8 years old.
Okay, Scarlett, introduce yourself and how old are you?
7 years old.
7 years
7
old.
years old. So si Scarlett ay 7.
Yes, 7.
7 years old.
Crystal is 7
7
years old.
For our next, okay, what's your name?
Ariana.
Ariana, okay, what's that?
7 as well. And your name and age?
Section. May nagtatanong.
5 years old.
Di, wala pa.
And what is your name?
Lahat ka na po.
Kezra.
Lahat ka na
Tama
po.
po ba? Kezra. Okay. So, before tayo mag-play, we have Ashley, Scarlett, Ariel,
Sige po, may nagpapatanong.
Crystal, and Diane. So, syempre, we will play our very easy game. So, this game is what we call a longest greeting. So, we need to say you have to greet Charlotte a happy birthday, but you need to make it longer as you can. So, Kuya Mark, could you do it please?
Okay, for example, these are your kids. Okay, for example, happy birthday!
Don't forget the Charlotte.
Okay, happy birthday, Charlotte!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and
Okay.
so on. So the longer you greet, the better prize you win.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's start with Ashley. Okay, Ashley, are you ready? Yeah, okay, you can greet Charlotte happy birthday. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 19.
Okay, so far, Ashley is the
Highest.
with the 90
Second.
seconds. Okay, si Scarlett naman, harap ka naman dun, Scarlett. Are you ready na, Scarlett? Okay, Scarlett, 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
12! Bigyan na natin 12.
Second.
Okay, don't go muna, Scarlett. Here's your prize. Stand ka lang muna. Tabi mo na kay ni Ate Ashley.
Okay, power links naman.
Yes, okay. Ariel or Crystal? Crystal. Siya si Ariel. Okay, ready ka na, Crystal? Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17!
Sayang!
Ay, so medyo malapit na doon sa ano.
So here's your prize, Crystal. O, tabi kayo ni Scarlett. O, tabi muna kayo, magpipicture tayo later.
Yes.
Ayun, stay here muna. So, it's Ariel's turn. Arian. Arian. Arian? Ariana. Okay. O, ready na siya. 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 15. Okay, good sa kayo. Okay, so,
Okay. And last,
yes, we're the last.
but not the least.
Si
Meron yung nalagay 100.
Ezra.
Okay, so are you ready na? Kinakabahan ka ba? Are you feeling nervous?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Fine, happy birthday.
Siya na tuloy ng pila.
Hindi ako na happy birthday. Ako na
Ikaw
happy
yung
birthday.
bumate.
Sige,
Okay,
ready.
natin Kuya Mark para marinig siya.
Ready, ready.
O, ready ha? O, you can greet Charlotte a happy birthday. The longer as you can. Okay?
Happy birthday!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. 27 seconds pero may daya. Ay, may daya.
Ayan, thank you,
Ayan.
Ashley. And of course, we have the winner. Ayan si Ezra. Ayan, bigyan siya na game prize as well. Ayan. And here's your prize. Okay, Charlotte, could you stand up, Charlotte? Magpipicture tayo. Ayun, syempre, kasama si Charlotte. Okay, dikit tayo. Ay, dagdagan natin sa kabila.
Yes, yes. It's a good dito yan. Every year.
Ayan, para kita tayong lahat. Okay, ready? Kids, look muna sa camera mga kids. Look mo na. 1, 2, 3, smile. Show us your wacky face. Wacky! Very good, thank you. And, oh, you may take your seat. And syempre, okay, there you go. And so, before we start our game is what we call a Get the Cup. And before we get the cup on the floor, the very mechanics of this game is, you should and you must touch your body parts. Okay, so first and foremost, before we play the game,
Alam mo yun? Huwag ka na. Ano si Ate, oh? Inalangan ako sa solo. Hawak na, uli ka na. Hawak na. Pwede naman eh. Ayaw mo lang. Ganun talaga pag naiiyak. Hindi na napapagod.
thank you so much.
Once again, let's invite po to those who want to install the your party. Together in Jimmy's dahil lalabas sa po siya ng ating party area. Thank you so much everyone.
Traditional yung voice ko. Sa IG naman daw. I guess I was gonna be treated in the inside after a while. Ayan, lalabas siya. Okay, ito na yung mga classmates and friends. So, look at the camera muna mga clear. Thank you so much, kids. You may take your seat for now. And this time, may we invite all the winners to join us, please. And of course, as we sing a happy birthday song, please do clap your hands and sing. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. One more. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Last one. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. And before we blow the candle, please welcome my special guest, Chris. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Ayan, hindi ko syempre sa lulo the candle. Ayan, syempre namin kinatasalit ko kami sa birthday. Ayan, kami kasi po wish na wala sa ating. I am proud parents. So let's ask
Kaya ano na nga ba ang wish nila para kay Charlotte? Yes, so let us call our proud parents here in France.
Happy birthday, baby. I hope you love you. 40 today, and that you grow prettier, smarter, more artistic, whatever you want to be. And that I hope you be the happiest you want. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
And bibigyan po yung celebration of course, sabay-sabay natin patingin si Charlotte at happy birthday! Cheery! Cheer! One! Happy birthday, Charlotte!
Sabi ko kay Mami, halika dito.
Thank you so much everyone. And of course, you may take your seat as well. And before tayo mag-serve ng ating meals, let's have our follow-up. Starting with the family itself.
Yes,
Sila Mami and Daddy.
So, ang immediate family ko, Mami, Tata, Asel, Sis Inis, is here.
Happy birthday.
Sabi kayo dalawa ni
Happy birthday!
Thank you so much. You may invite the family. Ayan, from the mother's side po muna tayo. Ayan, family from the mother's side to join us please.
Kasi ano kayo
Thank you so much, Liam. And before we go, let's take a picture. Thank you, Liam. And may we invite for our next seventh row. Lawrence. Thank you so much, Lawrence. Picture yan, picture mo yan. Thank you so much, Lawrence. And for our next 7th roses, may we invite Hector.
Hector.
Alright, thank you so much, Sir Hector. And let's have a photo. Yung kasama si Charlotte.
Thank you so much. And may we invite Tito Bimbo. Thank you so much. And let's have a photo of. Thank you so much. And of course, may we invite for our next 7th row, Sir Johan.
Thank you so much for your heart and for Country Baby together with Charlotte. And for our next, we will call Sir Jello.
Thank you so much. And let's have a photo of. And of course, last but not the least, for the 7th roses, Dada Wang. Thank you so much, and let's have a photo of. And before we go, may we invite for the last time our 7th roses, Sir Liam, Sir Lawrence, Sir Bibo, Sir Hector, Sir Johan, Sir Jello, and Sir Weng. Thank you so much.
Kedwa,
Yun lang.
happy birthday! Happy Charas!
Thank you so much. And let's take a picture, Kezra.
Okay. Very good idea.
Thank you so much, Kezra. And for now, let's invite Stephanie.
Stephanie.
Gulas pa siya eh.
Happy birthday, Charlotte. You are very
best friend forever. And best friend and kindness.
Thank you so much, Sophie. I'll give your gift and let's take a picture muna. Picture. Wala na siya, pwede. Okay. Abi, pipitin mo muna yung gift. Thank you so much, Stephanie. And for now, we invite Hadley.
Di ba natawag ko? Nag-proceed ka na. Hindi, okay lang kanina. Sige daw, ate. Okay lang madalag siya ng
For being my friend.
Yes, thank you. And let's take a picture muna first.
That's our picture.
Thank you so much, Hadley. And for now, we invite Caitlin.
You're my best friend.
Turong kami ay.
Thank you. And let's take a picture muna. Don't go.
Dito, bibigyan naman. Bibigyan ko mga alam dito. Sila naman. Stephanie, yung kita mo.
Thank you so much, Caitlin.
Turong pa na
And may we invite Jazzy.
Ayan.
Happy birthday, Ate Shallow.
And let's take a picture.
Ate, ang nag-usap. Bibi pa.
Thank you so much. And last but not the least, for our 7th gift, may we invite Scarlett.
Si Scarlett.
Scarlett, Scarlett.
Ang cute eh.
Birthday friend. I'm so happy to say you're my best friend. You're bait to me.
You're bait to me.
Thank you so much, Scarlett. And let's take a picture.
And also can we invite all the 7 gifts. Ito na sa aming picture here, friends.
Once again, may we invite Bea, Ezra, Stephanie, Hasley, Caitlin, and Jazzy for our 7 gifts photo op.
Ready, my kids? Look at the camera.
Ayun natin. I think ata you can stand up sa behind. Wait lang. Ay, Ate Ashley, dito sa Ate Ashley. Ayan, very good. Thank so much, kids, for our 7 gifts and to your 7 wishes. And of course, let's... Okay. Enjoy. Okay, na-picture na po ba natin ang ating mga kids? Thank you so much. And find your partner, meaning only 2.
Okay, so what?
Dalawa lang.
Ayan, so choose your partner.
Choose your partner. Dalawa-dalawa. Who's your partner? Kayo na lang. Partner na kayo ni ate. Okay, usog tayo dito.